Alright, what's up guys? We're back here with another vlog, and it's a little special occasion, except with the negative connotation. We've had a little casualty with my sister here's drone. She was flying it, it's like one of those cheap like Walmart things I bought for her, and she was flying it a little higher than she should have. But and then the wind took it away too far. I think she lost control. She said she lost control. It got stuck in a tree somewhere. That's the last we saw of it. So it could be on this building over here. Let's see, it's sort of right there. But we don't know if it's on the building, on the ground, or whatever. We already searched the ground. So now we have my drone with the hook attached. And hopefully we can get it down that way. So let's cut to it. So we haven't been able to find the drone yet. We checked on the roof with my drone, couldn't find it there. Checked on a different roof over that way, but we've been looking around, here. We still can't find it, and we think somebody may have picked it up. But yeah, so I'll tell you again if I find it, and I guess I'll still tell you if I don't. So guys, our search was fruitless. We searched many long hours for our lost friend, but yeah, we didn't find the drone. Sorry to say, but it was a cheap drone, maybe around $30, $35. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So with deep sorrow and regret, I will end this video and say bye to the drone, perhaps for the rest of our life. But we will keep searching. We will keep searching for it. One drone that is lost one day may be found the next. You heard it here first from Andrew Lemley FPV. Peace.